We've made it a lot easier to find the real OEM HVAC replacement parts needed for a specific model. Let's take a look. Number 1. Top search bar with model number. When shopping partstown.com, enter the HVAC unit's model number in the search bar. You'll then see a full list of parts used for that model. Number 2. My Equipment. Add your HVAC model or models to My Equipment to save it for future shopping. Next time, you'll find the parts needed even faster. Number 3. Model Quick Search by Manufacturer. First, choose the brand of your HVAC unit. Enter your model number or choose from the scrolling menu. This is the list of genuine OEM parts you may need. Number 4. Product Detail Page. You found a part and you think it might be right. Make sure when you scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Fits Models tab, simply look for your model number. If you have questions, we'll find the answers. Give us a shout anytime.